Ella, one of Sri Lanka's most breathtaking destinations. Today, I'm on a journey to discover one of Ella's best-kept secrets, Kithal Ella Waterfall. My journey starts at the Ella railway station, one of the most scenic train routes in the world. To reach Kithal Ella, you actually have to walk along the train tracks. It's one of those unique experiences you only find in Sri Lanka. And there it is, the iconic blue train of Ella. You've probably seen this shot before, but experiencing it in person, it's something else. After about 5 minutes of walking, I take a turn off the railway tracks and enter the jungle. The sound of birds, the rustling leaves. It's peaceful. And then, I hear it before I see it. The sound of rushing water gets louder, and suddenly, there it is. It's not the biggest waterfall in Sri Lanka, but that's what makes it special. It's hidden, untouched, and barely any tourists come here. If you ever visit Ella, don't just stop at the usual tourist spots. Come here, take a deep breath, and enjoy the real beauty of nature. Sometimes, the best places aren't the ones on the map. They're the ones you discover on your own. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to subscribe. More hidden gems of Sri Lanka coming soon.